I got a 2012 Ford F-150. First thing I'm gonna do to have to remove this, I'm gonna take a flathead or a door removal tools, and try to get to this right here. There's a screw in here, but there's another one up here. There's two of them. There's a 7mm. Kind of hard to do like a one hand type, but yep, pull that out. Take a 7mm. One, two. Second thing you want to do is pry this out a little bit. You don't have to pry all the way out, but I'm gonna work on this right here. Go. So right here. It's kind of tough. Just unplug that. That's for the USB. So, and then the 7mm right there. Oh, they're bad. Now, try this thing. Shouldn't be too hard. Hold on for a second. Get it? Push that button, pull it out. Same as this. Ooh, Sony system. I don't know.